How to create a pipeline. Navigate to Settings and choose the Pipelines page. On this page, you will see a list of all of the pipelines you currently have, with icons on the right-hand side where you can either edit or delete an existing pipeline. Click this green button here to create a new pipeline and follow the actions in the pop-up window that appears. We'll start by giving the pipeline a name. Then we're going to add our stages. You can use these arrows on the right-hand side to change the order of the stages if you'd like. Here on the right-hand side of each stage, you have the option to toggle on or off the visibility in the pie chart, the visibility in the funnel, or deleting the stage. These actions are for each individual stage. At the bottom, you can toggle on or off the visibility in the funnel chart or pie chart for the pipeline as a whole. You can continue to add stages if you'd like. You can rename any of these stages if you'd like to change what they are named. And once you're satisfied with your pipeline setup, click Save. Now the pipeline will be added here into your list of pipelines. You can always come back to this page and click the edit icon to make further edits, or click the trash can icon to delete the pipeline. That's all for now. Now you know how to create a pipeline.